Hey guys, so you know it's so close to Father's Day. Today we're going to be making a really easy soap for your father. So what you will need is soap base, food coloring. You need a specific container to make soap, but if you don't have that container, you can use any like the ones I have right here. This is optional, but you can put a little message to your dad, like Happy Father's Day or Love you, Daddy. Hey, I'm going to use my dad's cologne. For the soap scent, you see how it turned out? It's amazingly cool and it smells so good. I hope you enjoy your Father's Day and I hope you enjoyed making your soap. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!